In this lecture, we will learn about parameters and arguments. Right now, our function will always print hello world when we call it. But what if we wanted to print out a different message each time we call it? What if we want to supply the message to print to the console at the time that we call the function? Is that even possible? It is, and this leads us to the next major topic we will learn about in computer programming: parameters and arguments. First, we will add what is called a parameter. Parameters go inside of the parentheses when a function is defined. We can call ours message. Then we will change hello world to the message parameter. This way the message is printed out to the console. The final step is to pass a string into the parentheses in the function call, whatever we want the message to be. For example, we can pass in the message hi. In this case, we say that message is the parameter and hi is the argument. The subtle difference between a parameter and an argument is that a parameter is whatever is inside of the parentheses when a function is defined, and an argument is whatever is inside of the parentheses when the function is called. When we run the code, you will notice that hi was printed to the console. Note that it is also possible to have multiple parameters for a function. If we have more than one parameter, we separate the parameters using a comma. For example, we can add another parameter to our example function, which I will name number. To do this, we put a comma after the message parameter, and then type number. Now we want to also print out the number in the body of the function, so we can add another call to Python's print function and pass in number. Finally, where we call the function, we pass in the message we want to output, and then the number that we want to output respectively, separated by a comma. When we run the code, you will notice that the message was printed to the console, and so was the number. In the next lecture, we will learn about default parameters.